Hi guys, today I'll be doing another game car review. This is a Snowbird. And what this game is, if you're wondering before I review the car, this is basically Gangstar 4, aka Gangstar Vegas. And yes, today we're going to be doing a review on the car. But yes, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now this car is basically just a beta car, okay? It's basically a rip-off of, well, not actually rip-off, well yeah, it's a rip-off, but it's based off of the Honda CR-Z, I think? ZR-Z? I have... Correct me, because it does look a bit like the CR-Z. Comment down below if I pronounce it, or if I said it right, guys, because I'm not really sure. I just forgot the name of it, but yeah, I think this is a ZRC. Z. Sorry, but yeah, still. So let's just do a full review on it. So this has basically a tree on top of it, and then somebody, well, basically this is just a used car. Get out the way, bruv. Come on, that's my car. Get out the way. Okay, so yeah, this has a tree on top. So whoever the guy gave it to me is just forgot to take the tree off the car, but I decided to say it's okay, because yeah. Right now, we have a spoiler in the back, also for some cheap modifications. There's just been this replaced door, especially on both sides of the car. Basically, this guy has actually hit a curb, so one of the pieces is hanging off, and one of the pieces here, well, actually, to be honest, yeah, the mechanic just didn't actually add some on because the guy was actually a poor guy. So yeah, even the front hubcaps are missing. Only the back hubcap is just remaining on the car. Shush. Okay, now, to be honest, this is actually a quite great car. To be honest. Hold on a minute. Oh, missed it. This is not in a real life game. This is basically just a game, that's all. But still. Now, this car, 8 years ago, when I was actually first time playing this game, this actually has different styles, okay? So, I might show you the picture that's on this. Okay, so this is what the car looks like 8 years ago when I was first time playing the game. As you can see, it just has some different designs. The broken trim on the door right here is actually missing. It has the same wheels, but the thing is, it has a different hubcap on it. Still has the tree on top. Still got the front steel wheels, as long with the what do you call that? Oh yeah, with the other steely. And on the side, I'm not sure if it has the thing, but yeah, still.
Okay, so we're back into another part. I decided to move the car over here because these annoying people are just getting out of the way. I mean, in the way, sorry. But yeah, still. That's what the old picture looks like. Yeah, but still. It's actually missing the license plate, to be honest. And there's a ton of scratches on the doors. But yeah, still. Today we're actually going to have a test drive. So let's have a test drive.
Smells like a street bathroom.
That's a nice engine startup. Look at me. Woo! Oh yeah. Uh-oh. Oh yes. Look at me. I'm doing a drift. Woo! Doing some burnouts or donuts, whatever you call it. Whee! Okay. Oh god. How do you control this? Woo! Okay, oh Jesus. Here we have some leaves flying off the car. Look, see? Look. Some green particles. Okay, we're going to do the canyon drive. Oh my gosh. Are you kidding me?
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this car is actually a lot slower, actually. I'm not going to lie. Oh my gosh. Whee! Wow. Gosh, I'm driving. Okay. Gosh. Go quick. Oh man, I almost... Oh! I spun out. How did my hubcap remain on? Whee! Oh. I was trying to do a burnout. Okay. Whee! Whee! I'll try to find a way to get down to that main highway down there. Or should I say motorway, because in England we actually call them motorways because that's how British. Because British says it in a different language than the Americans. Okay. This thing does go fast though. I'm still going to say it. If the developers watching this Game Loft, if I pronounce your game name, developer name properly, then can you actually add one of those the hubcaps I just showed in the videos back, because they actually look cool, to be honest. Makes it look more 90s or 80s. The Honda CRZ is made in the 90s, so just yeah, but still. Whee! Oh my god. Oh, and plus this highway just goes around in circles. So basically, this is not going anywhere. It's just only you just driving around in circles, to be honest. But it's still a pretty big highway. Whee! I think they should actually connect the highway to the other highway. To be honest, let me show you. Yeah, so this is also another highway right here. I might actually go to that place, to be honest. I'll show you what that highway is, but yeah, still. But yeah, this is the highway right now. This is just going around in circles. I'm not actually going around in circles, but it's just still going around in circles. Yeah, still. That's the place we actually wanted to go. Okay, now carry on. On. this car has actually pretty good handling. And now we're going through the tunnel. Oh my gosh, that. Oh, there's a police car. Be careful not to hit him. Oh my gosh. Oh, I just did hit him. At least it didn't give a star like the GTA. Okay, I now need to just get off the highway. There was an exit, but I just missed the exit. There's an exit. Oh gosh. As long as some cars don't hit me, that's a good thing. Let's go. Oh, there's been a collision. Oh my gosh. Oh no, you just hit me. Oh, what's going on with my wheel? Oh, here goes my wheel. Sorry guys, I'm just going to take the map to the oh no. Just going to take the map to the other highway I was just talking about. Oh my, where's my head out the window? I'm not even shooting, I didn't even press it. Okay, I know that you guys are watching the video, so oh my gosh, I missed the exit. Man, I was too busy talking. Whee! Whee! Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my god. Ah! Whee! Ooh, ah! Jesus Christ. Oh, I just hit a billboard. Yeah, so it's pretty nice around roads. I think we are getting to the city area now. That's good news. Why is my head out the window? Goodness me, I missed the exit again. I mean the turn. Why do I mean the interchange or intersection or whatever I'm saying here? Just forget sometimes, you know? Okay. I should cancel the map now because I'm just at the same place. Let's go onto the highway. Yay. Man, this is pretty fast. Whee! Okay, I'll just... Ah! Oh no. I think my car has a dent now. Whee! Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm doing a video, mummy. Sorry guys, it's just my mum. She always just talking about her beads, okay? She bought from the store. Oh, by the way, I'm just going to take an exit because... Well, yeah, I just wanted to. That's the city airport right there, guys. Look, that's the city airport. I'll actually do a map review later on that I've been reviewing. I know that you guys are familiar with the game. You played the game before. But yeah, that's just a wrap. Okay, I need to be careful here because the road is actually turning into a smaller road now. Yeah. See? It's just turned into a small road. Well, it's not actually small. Still big. This is actually one of my favorite cars to have, to be honest. Because the thing is, oh my gosh, there's been a collision, but still, it was actually one of my best cars to have. I almost hit that police officer. Oh my gosh. Ah! Mike, can these people be careful driving their cars around? Oh my god, oh my gosh. Okay. Ah. Seriously? Now look what you did to my trim. Oh, I just received a health pack from the middle of the highway. Oh gosh. Oh no. Why do I always keep hitting some cars, man? I'm so bad at driving. Well, probably in the future I'm gonna be good at driving. Oh my gosh. Okay, you know what? There you go, I just fixed my car. Okay, this time we're going to be driving on the bridge. I'm just going to do a U-turn because I'm going to the airport, so I can just do some activities there. I don't mean fly a plane, but plane. Gosh, I'm so okay. Don't know anything. Right. Okay, so we're at the city airport. As you can see here. Oh my gosh. Hello, bruv. Get out of my car. Actually, hold on. Wah! Ugh. Okay. Come on. Let's get away. Oh. Gosh dang it. My battery's low. Now I have to charge my phone. Okay. Is it charging? Whoops. Of course it is. Now. Let's go. Come on. Before the police notices. Come on. Drive faster. What happened? Oh, my game is lagging. Is there a way into the airport? Oh my god. Damn, now these drivers are like man out 2 drivers because the thing is they're always crashing into me. It's just like mad out 2. Okay, you know what? How do you get into the airport? Do you just get in via something? Okay, you know what? I'll try to fit in here. If my car doesn't get stuck, then that's a bonus. Well, thank you. Yes. Car just got in. That's great. Now we're on the airport. Whee! Fortunately, wait, whoa. Is that what I think it is? No way! It's an airplane. Okay, I'll fly that later after the video. But still, let me just do some things. Whee! I'm doing a burnout. So cool, isn't it? Whee! Wow. Whee! Oh. Okay, I think I should end the video here. Right, so if you guys enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and click on the notification bell if you don't want to miss a video from me. And yes, I'll do some more videos like this later on. But yes, still. I will see you guys later in the next one. Bye bye, guys.